Wonderful morning to all the students. Let's begin today's session. We are reading the chapter A Triumph of Surgery written by James Herriot from the book Footprints Without Feet. Story so far? The story revolves around an ill dog named Tricky and his mistress, the owner, Mrs. Pumphrey. The dog was hugely fat, his eyes were blood red and rheumy. Because Mrs. Pumphrey, she over-pampered her dog, she overfed the dog. So the doctor, James Herriot, he was really worried when he saw that this dog, Tricky. And he knew the reason also very well. He knew that it was all because of Mrs. Pumphrey. Because she used to give a lot of extra food to Tricky. She accepts the fact that she has given him malt, cod liver oil, bowl of Horlicks every night, apart from the lunch, the supper, etc. And this Dr. James, he realizes that it was Tricky's fault as well because Tricky was very greedy. Tricky could not stop himself from eating all these things. And he suggested Mrs. Pumphrey that she must cut Tricky's food right down. She should start giving the dog some exercise. She must keep him on a strict diet. Otherwise, the dog would fall ill. And he expected that soon Mrs. Pumphrey would call him, and the expected call was actually received by him when Mrs. Pumphrey told the doctor that how Tricky had refused to eat anything. He simply would lie down and he was panting, he was gasping for breath. And the doctor had advised that Tricky should be hospitalized for a period of about 15 days. He was to be kept under observation. So finally, Tricky was brought to the surgery. He was admitted to the hospital there. And the arrangements were made for Tricky there. The doctor had prepared a bed for him, nice bed for him. And for the first 2 days, only thing that was given to Tricky was plenty of water. He was given no food to eat. And on the second day, he starts taking some interest in his surroundings. So this way, when the third day came, he began to whimper when he heard the other dogs in the yard shouting there, barking and playing. So we have read up to this part. From there, now we will start today reading further. Yes. So when I opened the door, Tricky trotted out and was immediately engulfed by Joe, the greyhound, and his friends. So next day when the doctor, he opened the door so that Tricky could come out and go into the open yard. He trotted out, means he ran with short steps and was immediately surrounded by Joe, who was a greyhound. It's a breed of dog, hunting dog, and his friends. After rolling him over and thoroughly inspecting him, the dogs moved off down the garden. Now, आपने dogs को खेलते देखा होगा, वो कैसे एक दूसरे के ऊपर गिरते पड़ते रहते हैं. They keep on rolling, right? So this way, they were quite active that day, and they just rolled him over. They inspected Tricky again, and then they moved towards the garden. Tricky followed them, rolling slightly with his surplus fat. अभी भी Tricky काफी मोटा था. So he followed those dogs into the garden, and while the dog was walking, following them, वो बीच में गिर जाता था. He would roll and then again would start running. Later that day, I was present at feeding time. I watched while Tristan slopped the food into the bowls. There was the usual headlong rush followed by the sounds of high-speed eating. Every dog knew that if he fell behind the others, he was liable to have some competition for the last part of his meal. So the narrator, he talks about the feeding time when he was also there observing the other dogs, how they used to have their food. Tristan is another dog. He saw him, how Tristan ate from the bowls. He slopped the food, means while he was eating, he spilled out the food. खाना जो था वो बाहर गिर रहा था, the way he was eating the food. And there was the headlong rush, the initial rush. जब dogs को food serve होता है, they just rush to have their foods. क्योंकि उनको ये पता था, इस high speed eating की भी एक वजह थी कि अगर आप अपने खाने तक समय से नहीं पहुंचोगे तो आपको एक कंपटीशन फेस करना पड़ेगा, आपको दूसरे कुत्तों से compete करते हुए अपने खाने को बचाना पड़ेगा, वरना आप भूखे रह जाओगे. So there was a rush following by the sounds of high speed eating. Every dog knew if he fell behind the other, he was liable to have some competition because he was likely to face competition for the last part of his meal. तो अपने खाने के लिए compete भी करना पड़ता था. When they had finished, Tricky took a walk round the shining bowls, licking casually inside one or two of them. So Tricky was left behind. So when all the other dogs, they had finished their food, Tricky came over to the bowls, shining bowls, licking casually inside one or two of them. Tricky के लिए कुछ खास खाना नहीं बचा था. He just licked from some bowls where some food was left there. Next day, an extra bowl was put out for him. I was pleased to see him jostling his way towards it. So अगले दिन नरेटर ने क्या किया, उन्होंने ट्रिकी के लिए भी एक खाने के लिए बोल रख दिया वहां पर. And he saw, he was happy to see. Pleased means he was happy, glad to see that now Tricky was also making efforts to compete with other dogs for his food. So jostling means to push his way towards it. दूसरे डॉग से compete करते हुए he reached towards his own bowl. From then on, his progress was rapid, and there was a great improvement seen in the condition of Tricky. He had no medicinal treatment of any kind, but all day he just ran about with the dogs, joining in their friendly scrimmages. Now see, this doctor, he did not start with any kind of medicinal treatment. उन्होंने अब तक ट्रिकी को कोई भी मेडिसिन नहीं दिया था पतला करने के लिए, उसकी बॉडी को शेप में लाने के लिए. He used his common sense. He knew what was the reason that Tricky was so fat, and he started a very natural kind of treatment. He just puts him on liquid diet, giving him water for first 2 days, and then giving him a lot of exercise, making him exercise a lot, and then finally he gave him something to eat. So there was no medicinal treatment, means कोई दवाई नहीं दी गई थी. सारा दिन ट्रिकी क्या करता था? He used to run with the other dogs and join in their friendly scrimmages. Scrimmages कहते हैं हल्की फुल्की झड़प, clash, tussle. So dogs के साथ खेलना, कूदना, उनके साथ मस्ती करना, कुश्ती करना. That way of exercises were given to Tricky, and he was improving gradually. He discovered the joys of being bowled over, tramped on, squashed every few minutes. So यहाँ he कौन है? Tricky. Tricky को भी मजा आने लगा. The way he was actually hit by others, bowled over by others, tramped, crushed on by others dogs, squashed every few minutes. So आपने dogs को देखा होगा एक दूसरे के साथ कैसे कुश्ती करते हैं, एक दूसरे को roll over करते रहते हैं. So Tricky started enjoying all these activities with other dogs. He became an accepted member of the gang of other dogs. पहले आपने देखा होगा the way they sniffed and left Tricky because he was not responding to their actions. But now he was readily accepted by the gang, an unlikely, silky little object among the shaggy crew, fighting like a tiger for his share at meal times and hunting rats in the old hen house at night. So Tricky क्या था? वो बिल्कुल different था बाकी dog से. वो एक छोटा सा dog, silky white looking dog था, while others they were shaggy crew. Shaggy means long, thick, unkept hair. जैसे जो कुछ अलग dogs जो बहुत huge थे size में, they had shaggy appearance क्योंकि उनके बहुत बाल thick थे. So they used to fight like tiger for their share of food at meal time, and they would keep on hunting rats in the old hen house at night. And Tricky had started enjoying all these activities with the other dogs who were just opposite to the build of Tricky. He had never had such a time in his life. Staying with Mrs. Pumphrey, Tricky had never known these kind of enjoyments, these kind of activities, the way now he was enjoying with the dogs here. So, उसे इतना अच्छा समय पहले कभी नहीं महसूस हुआ था, and that could be seen the way Tricky played with other dogs. All the while, Mrs. Pumphrey hovered anxiously in the background. अपने घर में मिसेस पंफ्रे सारा समय बैकग्राउंड जो गार्डन एरिया था वहां पर चहलकदमी करती रहती थी. शी वुड जस्ट मूव अराउंड एंशियसली, हैरान परेशान, क्योंकि ट्रिकी के बारे में वो बहुत परेशान थी कि उनसे दूर रहकर ट्रिकी कैसे रह रहा होगा. Ringing a dozen times for the latest bulletins, news about Tricky. यहाँ bulletin means getting information about Tricky. तो वो अक्सर कॉल करती रहती थी डॉक्टर को to ask about the improvement, the health conditions of Tricky. I dodged the questions about whether his cushions were being turned regularly or his correct coat worn according to the weather. अब पहले ही हमें बता दिया गया था कि किस तरह ट्रिकी के पास अपना एक अच्छा खासा बिस्तर था, डिफरेंट टाइप्स ऑफ कपड़े थे. So Mrs. Pumphrey, she would keep on inquiring whether he was handling those things properly or not, whether the cushions were kept properly or not, whether the coats were worn according to the weather or not. But the author says, I used to dodge the question. Dodge means to avoid answering these types of questions. But I was able to tell her that the little fellow was out of danger and convalescing rapidly. Convalescing means recovering rapidly. But वो मिसेस पंफ्रे को ये जरूर बताते थे कि किस तरह से ट्रिकी जो है he was out of danger now. उसे अब कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं थी and he was recovering very rapidly. The word convalescing seemed to do something to Mrs. Pumphrey. कहते जब मैंने ये वर्ड कहा कि Tricky was recovering quite at a great speed, it has done something to Mrs. Pumphrey. इस शब्द का असर मिसेस पंफ्रे पर कुछ अलग ही हुआ. और वो क्या था? She started to bring round fresh eggs, 2 dozen at a time, to build up Tricky's strength. ना उनको ऐसा लग रहा था क्योंकि ट्रिकी हॉस्पिटल में था तो वो बहुत कमजोर हो गया होगा. वो अब रिकवर कर रहा था तो उसकी क्विक रिकवरी के लिए उसे अच्छी डाइट देना जरूरी था. और इसके लिए मिसेस पंफ्रे क्या करने लगी? वो हॉस्पिटल में ट्रिकी के लिए फिर से बहुत सारा खाना लेकर आने लगी. और जिसमें क्या था? फ्रेश अंडे, 2 dozen sometimes. For a happy period, my partners and I had 2 eggs each for breakfast. But when the bottles of wine began to arrive, the real possibilities of the situation began to dawn on the household. लेकिन वो क्या कहते हैं, हम सब हॉस्पिटल वालों के लिए, डॉक्टर्स के लिए एक बहुत अच्छा पीरियड शुरू हो गया. So here, period, my partners, he is talking about the colleagues, the other attendants, those who were there at the hospital. He says that we were having a party at that time. अच्छा समय शुरू हो गया था क्योंकि अब ब्रेकफास्ट में वो सभी 2 अंडे ले रहे थे. लेकिन कहते कि सारी सिचुएशन की गंभीरता सबको समझ आने लगी. ट्रिकी की मौजूदगी कैसे उनके लिए एक पार्टी टाइम था, ये सभी को समझ आने लगा था. टू dawn on means to be understood by the household, means the people, the staff members, those who were at the hospital. कब समझ आने लगी? जब bottles of wine began to arrive. मिसेस पंफ्रे वो चाहती थी कि ट्रिकी जो है जल्दी रिकवर करे. ना वाइन जो होता है हमारी बॉडी में एनर्जी बूस्ट अप करता है, कहते हैं ब्लड सर्कुलेशन भी बढ़ाता है. सो इसलिए वो चाहती थी कि ट्रिकी में ब्लड अच्छे से इंप्रूव हो जाए. एंड शी स्टार्टेड सेंडिंग बॉटल्स ऑफ वाइन फॉर ट्रिकी. और ये एक पार्टी टाइम शुरू हो चुका था हॉस्पिटल स्टाफ के लिए. इट वॉज टू एनरिच ट्रिकीज ब्लड. तो ये जो वाइन्स थे, ये एग्स थे, ये ट्रिकी के लिए थे. लंच बिकेम अ सेरेमोनियल ओकेजन विद 2 glasses of wine before and several during the meal. सो मील के पहले, मील के दौरान लोग, उनके लिए तो एक सेरेमोनियल ओकेजन हो गया था. एवरी टाइम द सपर, द मील और द लंच और द ब्रेकफास्ट, इट बिकेम अ पार्टी टू देम, अ फीस्ट टू देम. लेकिन ये सारी चीजें किसके लिए थी? इट वाज फॉर ट्रिकी. बट डॉक्टर, ही डिड नॉट गिव एनी ऑफ दीज टू ट्रिकी, क्योंकि उनको पता था ट्रिकी को इन चीजों की जरूरत नहीं है. और इसीलिए वो जो सारा सामान था, इट वाज कंज्यूम्ड बाय द स्टाफ देयर, by the doctor, his partners, the attendants there. We could hardly believe it when the brandy came to put a final edge on Tricky's constitution. Tricky's constitution means to improve the body structure, the blood constitution of Tricky. तो कहते हैं कि हद तो तब हो गई. To put a final edge on Tricky's constitution means मिसेस पंफ्रे ने हद तब कर दी जब ब्रांडी भी आने लगी. They could hardly believe it when she sent brandy for Tricky, so that Tricky's health could improve rapidly. For a few nights, the fine spirit was rolled around, inhaled, and reverently drunk. तो कुछ रातों तक they had enjoyed the brandy. Reverently means respectfully. They had actually enjoyed the smell and the taste of wine and brandy for several nights. They were days of deep content, starting well with the extra egg in the morning, improved and sustained by the midday wine, finishing luxuriously round the fire with the brandy. So the staff was having really a good time. So कैसे? Deep content means satisfaction. एक satisfaction भरा दिन शुरू होता था. कैसे? Morning with eggs, afternoon with wine, and the night with the brandy. So the days were luxurious. Luxury के दिन हो गए थे सभी के लिए. It was a temptation to keep Tricky on as a permanent guest. और ये temptation बन चुका था. लोगों के मन में लालच आने लगा था कि ट्रिकी को हमेशा के लिए वहां रखा जाए, एक परमानेंट गेस्ट बना लिया जाए, क्योंकि इट वाज ऑल बिकॉज ऑफ ट्रिकी दैट दे वर एंजॉयिंग द एग्स, द वाइन्स एंड द ब्रांडीज इवन. But I knew Mrs. Pumphrey was suffering, and after a fortnight, felt compelled to phone and tell her that the little dog had recovered and was awaiting collection. But Mr. Heriot was a very sensible person, a sensitive man. He knew very well that how Mrs. Pumphrey was suffering at that time. Now 15 दिन गुजर चुके थे और मिसेस पंफ्रे की भी हालत बहुत खराब थी, क्योंकि वो इतनी जुदाई बर्दाश्त नहीं कर सकती थी ट्रिकी से. And he knew this very well. So he was compelled, he was forced to call Mrs. Pumphrey, and he told her that the dog had recovered now. He was perfectly all right and was awaiting for her owner to come and take him home. So उन्होंने finally Mrs. Pumphrey को call किया. Within minutes, about 30 feet of gleaming black metal drew up outside the surgery. फोन कॉल के कुछ ही मिनटों में लंबी सी एक ब्लैक शाइनिंग मेटल कार आकर खड़ी हो गई हॉस्पिटल के बाहर. So it was a 30 feet of gleaming. Gleaming means shining black metal. Black metal referring to the car of Mrs. Pumphrey. और वो कार में आई जो सर्जरी के बाहर खड़ी थी. The chauffeur opened the door and I could just make out the figure of Mrs. Pumphrey, almost lost in the interior. Chauffeur refers to the driver. Driver ने डोर खोला and Mr. Heriot कहते हैं he could just identify Mrs. Pumphrey sitting inside the car. Lost in the interior means कार के इंटीरियर से हल्की झलक Mrs. Pumphrey की दिखाई दे रही थी. Her hands were tightly clasped in front of her. Her lips trembled. Oh, Mr. Heriot, do tell me the truth. Is he really better? Mrs. Pumphrey, it was hard for her to believe that Tricky was actually now all right. तो वो कंफर्म करती है कि कृपया मुझे सच बताइए that if Tricky has actually recovered. Yes, he is fine. There's no need for you to get out of the car. I'll go and fetch him. Fetch him means bring him. I walked through the house into the garden. A mass of dogs was hurtling round and round the lawn. Mass means group of dogs there. So in the midst, ears flapping, tail waving, was the little golden figure of Tricky. Midst means middle. So उन dogs के बीच में Tricky था जो अपनी tail को wag कर रहा था, उसकी ears flap हो रहे थे, flutter हो रहे थे. He was among those dogs. In 2 weeks, he had been transformed into a lithe, hard-muscled animal. Lithe means flexible, hard muscle. Well-built animal में transformed हो चुका था, change हो चुका था. He was keeping up well with the pack. Keeping up well means getting along well with the pack. उसका pack here refers to the group of dogs there. और उस dogs के साथ उसका बहुत अच्छा relationship, एक bond develop हो चुका था. So stretching out in great bounds, his chest almost brushing the ground. जो dog की condition थी वो बहुत अच्छी improve हो चुकी थी. So he could be seen playing with the dogs in the garden. उसकी जो physique थी उसमें improvement आ गया था. He was no longer fat now. इतना ज़्यादा बेहतर हो चुका था that he was actually competing with the other dogs playing in the garden there. I carried him back along the passage to the front of the house. The chauffeur was still holding the car door open, and when Tricky saw his mistress, he took off from my arms. Took off means just jumped from my arms in a tremendous leap. जोर से वो कूद पड़ता है and sailed into Mrs. Pumphrey's lap, और swing करते हुए वो Mrs. Pumphrey की गोदी में पहुंच जाता है. She gave a startled oof and then had to defend herself as he swarmed over her, licking her face and barking. Mrs. Pumphrey खुशी से अचानक से चौंक उठती है इस तरह से जब ट्रिकी ने उन पर जंप किया, और वो ऊफ कहकर चिल्लाती है. And she tries to protect herself from the way Tricky has climbed over her, and he started licking her face and barking. During the excitement, I helped the chauffeur to bring out the beds, the toys, coats, cushions, bowls, none of which had been used. वो सारी चीजें, the things that were given by Mrs. Pumphrey, he decided to return all those things because they were left unused. उनका कोई भी इस्तेमाल नहीं हुआ था, and he decided to return it. As the car moved away, Mrs. Pumphrey leaned out of the window. वो झुककर विंडो से बाहर अपना सिर निकालती हैं. Tears shone in her eyes, her lips trembled. Oh, Mr. Heriot, she cried, how can I ever thank you? This is a triumph of surgery. So वो thank करती है Mr. Heriot का कि कैसे मैं आपका धन्यवाद करूं. ये इस हॉस्पिटल की जीत है because you have actually treated Tricky. So she was extremely happy to see Tricky the way Tricky had recovered. Tricky was back into form, back into action. And the dog was now ready to lead a happy life. And there we see the story, it ends. I hope you enjoyed the story. And what do we observe here? That how sometimes overfeeding, over-pampering, it spoils the person, be it a pet or be it child. चाहे बच्चे हो चाहे पेट हो, जब आप ओवर पैम्पर करते हो, ओवर फीडिंग करते हो, तो बच्चे अक्सर स्पॉइल होते हैं. उनके ग्रोथ में असर पड़ता है, उनके बिहेवियर में प्रभाव पड़ता है. एंड दिस इज व्हाट इज कन्वेड थ्रू दिस चैप्टर, अ ट्रायम्फ ऑफ सर्जरी. आई होप दिस इज क्लियर टू ऑल. So let's quickly better discuss some of the questions that are here. The comprehension check question, come to the first page of your chapter, and I want that you should participate in the discussion. Yes. So why is Mrs. Pumphrey worried about Tricky? At the beginning of the story, why do we find Mrs. Pumphrey little worried? Yes, raise your hand. Quickly answer the question, students. हाँ जी बेटा, चलिए पार्टिसिपेट करिए. Yes, Khushi. First question, why is Mrs. Pumphrey worried about Tricky?
Mrs. Pumphrey was worried about Tricky because he started refusing his favorite food and he started vomiting and his condition grew worse.
Yes. So what is the answer? That Mrs. Pumphrey, she was really worried about her dog because he was hugely fat and lifeless and has lost his appetite. He started vomiting at intervals and lay down motionless on the carpet. His eyes have become blood red and rheumy. So his condition was the cause of deep concern for Mrs. Pumphrey. Next question. What does she do to help him? Is she wise in this? अपने डॉग की मदद के लिए वो क्या करती हैं? Sukhdeep Kaur, answer the question. Sukhdeep, answer the question.
Mrs. Pumphrey started giving her extra snacks like cod liver oil or Horlicks apart from his main meals to improve his condition.
Yes. So Mrs. Pumphrey, she was worried about the condition of the dog. Yes. Do you want to add more? Okay, so she was worried about the dog and she thought that he was becoming weak day by day, and she kept on overfeeding the dog, giving him the malt, the cod liver oils. And then when she found that Tricky refused eating food, she decided to call Mr. Heriot, right? He was a veterinary surgeon, and that's why she thought that the dog would be safe in Mr. Heriot's hand. So giving food to the dog, giving extra food to the dog was not a wise decision, but yes, calling the doctor was a wise action done by Mrs. Pumphrey. Okay? So who does I refer in this story here? Who is I here? Yes, Vani?
I is the owner, that is Mrs. Pumphrey.
No. अगर हम बिगिनिंग की बात करें, देखिए आई से कौन नरेट कर रहे हैं स्टोरी? इट्स द नरेटर, द वेटरनरी डॉक्टर James Heriot. The narrator is the author and he is the speaker here who is narrating the story. तो I यहाँ पर कौन है? The Dr. James Heriot, the narrator, who is the narrator and the author in the story. Okay. Yes. Now coming to the next part of the comprehension check. Is the narrator as rich as Tricky's mistress? Yes, Suhana. Hanji, Suhana. Dilpreet, answer the question.
No, the narrator is not as rich as Tricky's mistress, Mrs. Pumphrey. We can say so because the narrator seems fascinated by how lavishly Mrs. Pumphrey spends on the well-being and maintenance of her pet. He is unusually surprised by the enriching items she sends for Tricky, as he cannot.
Yes, your answer is absolutely correct. And you will add to this because your voice is cracking. Let me just complete the answer. Moreover, he was just a veterinary
For himself.
surgeon. Yes, take it up. So he was a surgeon. And the way he reacts to the things sent by Mrs. Pumphrey, we come to know that he was not as rich as Tricky's mistress. How does he treat the dog, Bhumi?
He treat the dog as he as narrator was a veterinary doctor, so he had to look after the Tricky strictly because he was very fat, and so he when at first 2 days he did not give him any food and only gave him some water to drink. After 2 days, Tricky was able to taking enjoyment in his surrounding.
Yes.
And he treat Tricky he treat Tricky like other dogs.
Okay, so it was a very natural process that he had adopted. He kept Tricky under observation for a few days. He did not give him any medicine. Rather, he just gave him water to drink for 2 days. And after the third day, he saw the development signs in Tricky. And within a period of fortnight, we see that how the dog was completely cured and handed over to the mistress. So he did not give him any medicine, regular exercise, giving proper diet. And on the first few days, he just kept him under observation, giving him lots of water to drink, right? Next question. Why is he tempted to keep Tricky on as a permanent guest? Yes, Daksh. Why is it tempted to keep Tricky as a permanent guest?
Mrs. Pumphrey had started around eggs to build Tricky's strength. Later, even bottles of wine and brandy began to arrive.
Yes. So we find that how Mrs. Pumphrey, she was a very rich mistress of Tricky. So the way she started sending things for Tricky. So she sends all the delicacies and the drinks for breakfast and those of eggs, wines, the brandies, all these things actually tempted the narrator and his colleagues there that they should keep Tricky as a permanent guest. Okay. Why does Mrs. Pumphrey think the dog's recovery is a triumph of surgery? Who would answer? Gurnoor Kaur, answer the question. Mrs. Pumphrey, why does she think that it's a triumph of surgery?
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning.
Mrs. Pumphrey thought that the dog's recovery was a triumph of surgery because she thought that her dog Tricky was seriously ill and needed a great amount of medicines so to recover well. But Dr. Harriet's just in the span of 2 weeks, 2 weeks or 15 days, he treated the dog Tricky without any medicine, without using an.
No, the lady, she does not know that the doctor has not given any medicine. She thought that yes, the dog's condition was really critical and saving such a dog, it was just nothing less than a miracle for Mrs. Pumphrey. एक miracle, एक चमत्कार लगा क्योंकि जिस वे से उन्होंने dog को देखा था, the way the dog had refused eating food, lay motionless, panting for breath, she thought that the dog was severely ill, and that's why when the dog recovered, she thanked the doctor, and thus she calls in her happiness, in excitement, enthusiasm that it was a triumph of surgery. Right, beta? चलिए क्विकली मूव करते हैं नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन जो हमारे चैप्टर के बैक में है. Yes. So what kind of person do you think the narrator, veterinary surgeon is? क्या कहोगे? Dilpreet, yes, answer the question quickly. What kind of person he is?
The narrator, a veterinary surgeon, is a capable and wise doctor. He handles Tricky properly, which shows that he is sincere about his profession. He does not operate upon the dog unnecessarily and cures him by altering his diet and activities. He is a tactful person as he knew exactly how to convince Mrs. Pumphrey to hospitalize Tricky for a surgery. His decision to inform Mrs. Pumphrey to collect Tricky supports his sensibilities, even though he was tempted to keep Tricky as a permanent guest.
Yes, correct. So you can use the word very competent doctor, common sense, having common sense, very sensible, very practical, and genuinely concerned about his patients, very tactful in dealing with the situation. So all these things completely defines this veterinary doctor, that is Mr. Heriot. ठीक है, तो ये सारे words आने चाहिए: competent, sensible, practical, genuine concern, tactfulness, ये सारी चीजें, and he will describe all this with reference to the text, the way he treated Tricky. So he's, yes, of course, very tactful and having common sense. Next question. Do you think Tricky was happy to go home? What do you think will happen then? Yes, of course, हम देखते हैं कि Tricky जो था, he was definitely happy to go home. The way he saw his mistress, the way he jumped over, the way he started licking the mistress, it shows that he was definitely happy to go home, right? And what will happen? हम ये अपनी तरफ से एक तर्क लगा सकते हैं कि the way Mrs. Pumphrey was in a habit of spoiling her own pet, with a gradual period of time, she would again start overfeeding her dog. There was this possibility. So we can assume that what would happen next again in the future. और ये भी कह सकते हैं कि इस सिचुएशन से सबक लेकर शायद वो ट्रिकी को प्रॉपर डाइट दें, प्रॉपर एक्सरसाइज दें. ठीक है? So do you think it's a real life episode or mere mixture of both? It is again total your answer. ऐसा होता है कि हकीकत में भी होता है. यहाँ हम कोई exaggeration नहीं देख रहे हैं. There are some people who do treat their pets in this way. Even हम real life में देखते हैं कि कुछ parents अपने बच्चों को भी इस तरह से treat करते हैं. They over pamper them. उनकी over pampering, उनकी over feeding जो है किस तरह से उनके अपने बच्चों की life को spoil करने लगती है. So it's a great learning lesson. Discipline is very important in life. Self discipline होना बहुत जरूरी है. Discipline को फॉलो करना बहुत जरूरी है. और एज अ पेरेंट ओवर पैम्परिंग को हमें रिफ्यूज करना चाहिए। ओवर फीडिंग जो होती है आदत बच्चों में नहीं डालनी चाहिए, क्योंकि इससे उनकी हेल्थ पे बहुत बड़ा असर पड़ता है। I hope the story is clear to you all. So the characterization of Mrs. Pumphrey, then Mr. Heriot is very important from this chapter. The theme of the chapter is very important, right, students? So I hope the chapter is clear to you all, and an assignment will be posted in the class group that you will complete and then submit whenever I'll call you, ask you to submit the assignment, right, students? So I hope with this we come to the end of this chapter, and I hope that it is clear to you all.